Hi, this is Pankaj Gupta from IHMR University, and today I am sitting here in Peacock Garden, and this Guru Purnima has just happened, and I thought let me share some instances with some of my gurus and mentors who have played a very important role in my life. So in that series, since I am sitting here in Peacock Garden, where you can see that today there are not many peacock here, but generally this place is full of peacocks and lot of birds. So I got reminded to a very famous quote which one of my boss used to say, and his name is Dr. B.S. Sahai, and who has played a very important role in my life, and I am grateful to him. He was director of IMT Ghaziabad, and he taught me many things. One of the things he used to say that कि जंगल में मोर नाचा किसने देखा. So it may sound very simple thing, but it has a deep meaning actually. That if the peacock is dancing in the forest, nobody watches. So if the peacock is dancing, you know how the other people can see that. You make a video, you put it there, you put it on social media, so that people see that what is happening around. And this he used to say in the context of that when any top level dignitaries are coming to campus, then you create some sort of a pre-event, then popularize it, and then happening that event, and then post that also, how you make it public and like that, like putting on the website and those kind of things. So it is very important not only just to do the things, but also to market it to the relevant stakeholders so that people know what is happening around. So this phase I have used at many times, like when I was in Symbiosis, when I was director there. Then also I used to share this thing, Jangal mein mor nacha kisne dekha. So I remember one of my colleague, Shobha, used to be there. Once she actually brought this song to me and said, "Sir, आप ये बोलते थे, ये song सुन लीजिए पूरा वो जंगल में मोर नाचा किसने देखा." So this is one I wanted to share this thing, that it is very, very important. And secondly, I learned a lot of passion from him, and a very working with total dedication and honesty. I remember Dr. Sahai had promised to the management that he will have around 20 MOUs with the top international organizations. And when I came after my Fulbright, then Dr. Sahai made me the chair for internationalization. And it was a difficult time because other people who were given this responsibility, they were thinking, oh, it is an additional responsibility, what to do. And we are not having either the SCSB, AMBA or EQUIS or any other credible partners. So they were thinking, what to do, what can I do? But that was always a great challenge for me. And Dr. Sahai gave me this thing, you look at the partners' website, look at their partners, then you create that database and so on. And sometime, he used to ask, tell me what is the score. We used to tell him in the evening. Then again in the morning, he used to ask, हाँ भाई पंकज बाबू क्या रहा है स्कोर. तो I used to tell, सर रात में तो बताया था. Then he used to say, अरे भाई अमेरिका खुला हुआ था तो वहाँ से कुछ रिप्लाई आया होगा. So when I look back, I see that lot of this was a very good learning, and I realized that when I later was being considered for the being director of Symbiosis Bangalore, so then all these things which I really did, they came very, very handy for me. So the key learning here is, one is that not only doing is very important, but also the proper marketing of that and sharing with the relevant stakeholder is very important. And this has also now become part of my life, and I've been also now sharing many of the things on the social media. And secondly, whatever is there, you have to just put in your heart and soul there, as if there is no tomorrow. And sometimes I have seen that when you do this Nishkam Karma with full dedication and passion, the next level of growth comes running for you. So, these two insights I just thought to share with you. And in fact, when Dr. Sahai later wrote a recommendation for me on LinkedIn, he had mentioned that Pankaj is a guy who you just tell a work and you consider it as done. And it was a very touching moment for me that he wrote this kind of recommendation for me. So my key advice to the people here on this Monday motivation is that firstly, not only doing the job, but also proper marketing and communicating is very important. Secondly, whatever is the opportunity, you do your best without really doing any calculation, oh, what return will I get? And you will anyway get the return on its own, maybe from the same organization or maybe from somewhere else. So I again take this opportunity to thank all my gurus and mentors for their great role in my life. I am very thankful to them and gratitude to them. And in this event, I want to say a special thank and gratitude to Dr. Sahai for his guidance and lot of inspiration to me. Thank you and namaskar.